Now let's look at this figure 21-54. And we're dealing with a Class 1, Division 1 or Class 1 Division 2, and in the classifying the hazardous locations. First of all, let's just look at the hazardous area horizontally. And to the right, at the very top, spray area is a Class 1 Division 1, as you see in the illustration. But from that point out to 20 foot horizontally is a Class 1 Division 2. Now we're talking about here permanent spraying. You're going to spray the whole object. It's just not touch-up. You're going to do a complete spray job, and you're in the opening area of a garage or wherever it may be when you apply this rule. Now, next, let's just look at the vertical. And the vertical, the spray area that's Class 1 Division 1, as you see in the illustration. And you can obtain a lot more information when you look at NFPA 33, Chapter 6, and look at Section 6.5.1. Now, from that spray area, 10 foot vertically, you're a Class 1, Division 2 area. And then, of course, in the open spraying, as you see right in the center here with the title Open Spraying, 10 foot vertically, 20 foot horizontally, as outlined in 516.5D as in dog 1. And that's exactly what this illustration 21-54 is illustrating to the user of the NEC.